to Magnificent Mango. Today we're in St. Petersburg, Florida. We're at the Animal House Pet Center and we're going to show you all the animals here. Come with us, come on! These are the little duckies. Too bad they're not in that corner. Or if not, I could get them way easier. This one, that one. There's actually never been like only ducks in this container ever in the pet center, for real. So it's my first time with only ducks. Ducky! Dad, look, he's sleeping. He feels so light. The chicks are free. Look at them, they're so pretty, they're so pretty. Tell me, which one's the beautifulest one? Which one's your favorite? I'll tell you my favorite. So, my current favorites, I have two favorites. One is this guy, this fairy. This is my favorite one. And yeah, I'll show you my second one right now. So, I'll just let you go. There you go. And now my second favorite is, again, he's the only one that has this. Look at his eye. See that? He's like different. Oh my God, you're treating me with sass? Look at his eye. You're treating me with sass? Sass? You're sassy. I'm more sassy. These are the birdies, but be careful because they bite.
Mikey, don't get in the way. What are you waiting for? Yeah.
This bird is giant. Imagine if you bit your finger. It'll probably bit your whole finger off. He's trying to bite the camera. Oh my gosh. Yep, he wants to bite you guys. I love these, they're so cute. It reminds me of my cat that died, but it's the kittens. She's so cute. This is the one that does not like to be touched. Come on. Get cute. Get up to your knees and bow to me. Bow. Treat me like the queen. Yes. For some reason, I love cats so much. With their big old eyes. They're so cute. Do you agree? Oh, no. Stay. I'm sorry. Too bad we can't keep you. Sorry. Oh, yeah, you love me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you can't just jump on the floor and leave. Now it's time for the lizards, snakes, maybe chameleons, and some weird creatures. They're gonna be right here, so enjoy.
No. You broke your arm. Not in the middle.
Oh, and what do you say? Oh, you want the viewers to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so they won't miss out on an awesome video like these? Okay. Why don't you guys do that? Follow the duckies' instructions. These are the turtles that are, oh my gosh. No way. Look at this right here. That is crazy, bro. So, like I was saying, back to the turtles. And they're kind of shiny. There's difference. I'll tell all of them. There's one painted terrapin. There's a pink belly, red belly, yellow belly, map snappers, peacock slider. Oh, I don't know how to say this. Albino red ear, I think.
Wanna go look at some more fish? Yeah, he's swimming.
You. Oh, and I'm sorry, but it's the end of the video. So like always,